did not see me just fall. But what's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the Elijah Tucker Show. And welcome back to the skating portion of the Elijah Tucker Show. And we've already went over the dribble, if y'all remember from our last skating video. And we are going to upgrade the dribble to a more advanced move called the crazy legs. And it is the dribble practically, but you're just gonna do a little C shape with your legs, each leg, instead of your regular dribble. Oh, you gotta hear my knees pop, but. So, let's go over the dribble again. The dribble is just right here. I'm not doing it very well because I'm bouncing a little bit, but you wanna be smooth. I'm also on this crack, so don't completely judge me. This is a front view of the dribble. Back view of the dribble. So we're going to upgrade the dribble to the crazy legs. The crazy legs, you are just going to make a C shape with your skate. So the dribble goes just like this, but the crazy legs are making a C shape. So instead of just going straight line, you're turning each time. That was a horrible performance and I kind of got off balance, but again, don't judge me. We're all learning, okay? Collectively. Break it down. Do it as slow as you can. Even if you're only doing one leg at a time, that's perfectly fine. I'll start with my right leg only, and I'm just going here. Now we'll do left. I forgot to mention, make sure you have a slight bend in both of your knees so that you can keep the control and stay stable, you know. So slight bend, and you pop to the C. Well, making a C shape with your skates. Now let's try both legs, making the C shape. C, C, C. Okay, whoa, you did not have to see that. But let me do it better. C, 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 C. It takes a little bit to gain that control. So what you're doing with your skate is you're just popping your heel like this, okay? You're popping the back heel, just like that, okay? I'm gonna break this down as best as I can. You're up on your toe on this, because that's the dribble. That's still the dribble. You're driving up with the toe, but you're going to drive this heel back in that C shape, while your left foot just drives up on the toe. So again, you're driving your right foot back to the tippy toe, and your left foot goes straight up. So it just looks like this. Let's try the left side. C shape, C shape, C shape, C shape, C shape. Okay, so once you master that, just practice both sides and just go C, C. Remember to keep that bend in your knees or else you're going to lose your balance, and I keep forgetting that. C, 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 C. Jump inside. C, 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 C. Once you get the hang of the C motion, here comes the advanced / tricky part. Make the C with your leg and pop to that heel, but instead of popping here, you're going to turn it like this. Out, 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 out. I am exaggerating it a lot just so you can see, but that is the last part of the practice. And then you're going to add it all together and make it smooth. You do your dribble, add your C shape, now add the pop. And then it will feel smooth and you're going to turn and pop. Alright YouTube, so yeah, that's the crazy legs. Don't judge me if I didn't teach you properly. This wasn't what I was supposed to be doing. I'm not supposed to be teaching you. I'm just practicing myself, okay? So this was just a mere slight instructional video and practice, skate time practice.